Tēnā koutou. This week for Te Reo Māori, we are going to be learning 4 new words. We're going to be learning inside, so we're inside a house. Roto. And then outside, you might go outside the house. Waho. You might go on top of the roof. Runga. Or you might go under a table. Raro. Alright, so the word for inside, roto. Can you say that after me? Roto. Tino pai. Now can you say outside, like we're going to be outside of the house? Waho. You say it after me. Waho. Tumeke. Great job. Now imagine we go on top of the house. You're going to say runga. Can you say that after me? Runga. Tino pai. And now we're going to go under the table. So you're going to say raro. Great job. Okay, now I'm going to say something and I want you to go and do it. All right? So, ready? I want you to go raro the tepu under the table. Raro the table. Good job. All right, come back. Now, I want you to go waho te whare. Outside the house. Waho te whare. All right, come back in. All right, now you are going to inoho runga on the couch. Sit on the couch. Runga. Tino pai. Okay, the last thing I want you to do. What have we done? We've done raro, under the table. We've done waho, outside the house. We've done runga, on top of the couch. What's the last thing we haven't done? Aha, roto, inside. I want you to go roto, your bedroom. You got 10 seconds. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, tako. Tino pai. All right, guys, that's all for today. Hey, I have created a song to help you with learning roto, waho, runga, raro, inside, outside, on top of, and underneath. Hopefully your teachers have sent you that link as well. I'm not going to do a worksheet for this week, so just enjoy singing that song. All right, ka kite. I will see you next week.